saan sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y ituro mo, at hindi ka lumayo. Nung ako'y yung sumusuko at nagbago ang mundo. Nung ako'y pinaglaban mo. At tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y pinili mo, siya panalangin ko.
Alright, thank you so much, Jacob Plaza, for that wonderful performance. BFF.
Right. Tama to. Napasasabi natin sa Coach Kalokay sa performance ni Jacob.
Ayun. Hello. Coach Ayok na lang, Coach Kolokoy, para napaka, Okay, Jacob.
Sorry.
Ayan, no? So, tagpuan Moira De La Torre. Okay, so, ang masasabi ko is you were able to own the song. Okay? So, you have your own rendition. I know it's an arreglo, right? Pero masasabi ko that you can have your own cover of that song through that performance na ginawa mo kanina. Honestly, hindi ko na-associate siya kay Moira, right? And that makes you, a unique artist. Kasi na-own mo siya every time that you sing a song. Even yung earlier, the song mo na Minsan Ang Minahalay Ako, right? From the musical Katie, I didn't hear Celeste Legaspi, I heard Jacob. Yun dapat lagi. You get to really own the song. That the moment that they hear that sound, that distinct sound, they would remember you as the interpreter and not the original singer or someone else. The storytelling, oh my God, the dynamics, right? How you delivered each line. I remember lagi nagsasabi when it's a Tagalog song, you have to enunciate properly the vowel sounds, the a, e, I, o, u, and they were all clear. Even when you're hitting those low notes, mid notes, high notes, malinaw ang mga letra, right? And nabigla ako dun sa merong, I like that part. Others were saying na overdone daw. No, right? Mali kayo dun. It was so on point. Okay, kaya wag kayong mag-ano-ano dyan. Masyado kayong mema. Mema tsaka mamaru. Okay? Hindi kayo maka-appreciate ng music, oy. Hindi kayo mahal ng mama nyo. Okay? But the way you did that, it was so on point. Alright? Kaya, just go. Good job. Really for grand finals.
Thank you so much.
BFF.
Pure Love, anong masasabi mo about sa performance ni Jake?
Okay. Sa akin, nung una ko siya narinig, sabi ko, ay, mali ang choice ng kanta niya kasi hindi pang contest yung kanta. Pero nung kinanta niya na at nilagay niya na yung sarili niya doon, I really think na nadala niya yung kanta. Yun ang sinasabi ko na minsan, kahit malayo ka dun sa original, pero pag nadala mo siya, I love it, hindi ka nagsisigaw, cool ka lang. So, yun, maganda yung rendition mo. And inari mo talaga yung kanta. Yan.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Right, thank you so much, Miss Pure Love. And last but not the least, Coach Otep.
Chester.
Alright, ayan,
Ayan.
Kachotep.
Sige. Etong tatlong to ay labanan ng areglo talaga. So, puro areglo yung mga kanta nila. So, nakakatuwa dahil pinaghandaan talaga nila yung final song nila. At alam ko ito yung talagang inilista nila sa kanilang mga papel na ito yung kakantahin ko kung kunwari makapasok ako sa sa grand finals. And napakagandang move nun. What I like about you, Jacob, wag na tayong pumunta dun sa mga vocal quality, delivery, dynamics, backdrop. Kasi dun tayo magpunta dun sa sa performance mo na talaga, Kuya Jacob. I like I like your aura. Sobrang napaka-pleasant mong tingnan sa screen. May star quality si Kuya Jacob. So, kuhang-kuha mo ako doon. Lalo na sa pakismi mo na buhok. Opo. Papa Superman effect. Opo. Nakuha mo ako doon. Oo. Yung the way how you, what you call this, gulat us. Yun ang term ko. Gulat factor. It's really very unexpected. Parang nanonood na lang kami, sabi namin, ano kaya yung ibibigay pa ni Jacob sa bandang huli? Kasi alam na namin yung tono. It's really a familiar song. Pag sinabi nating Moira song, we're expecting na bulong lang ng bulong, halinghing lang ng halinghing. Pero ikaw, nilagyan mo siya ng sarili mong flavor. And I agree with Coach Ayok na you can do a cover song para sa kantang to kasi isa ako sa mga magda-download just in case mada-download to sa Spotify. So ayun, tama din si Judge Pure Love na ayun, sobrang